Hi friends, today I'm going to show a special newspaper room photo editing tutorial by using Picsart. If you are watching my video first time, please consider subscribe to my channel. Now let's check into the video. First of all, open Picsart application, and after this you have to tap on the plus icon and you have to select the background. I will use this background link in the description. You can go and download there directly. Okay, and after this arrange the background like this perfectly. Now we have to do a little adjustments for the background. Go to tools, go to adjust, and you have to increase the clarity a little bit. Okay, and this will make, and also shadow, this will make the background a little darker. Okay, now go to add photo and select your model image, sitting position model image. Remember, you have to select your sitting position model image. Now you have to go to adjust and increase a little clarity for the HD effect of your model image. Now go to cut tool and you have to draw around your model image by using this draw tool. Okay, you have to draw this red line around the model image to the cut the background. It will take so much of time, so I'm going to do in fast mode. Okay, you have to draw like this. Now tap on the arrow. Okay, now tap on the arrow, and this is how your model will be cut. Now you have to arrange your model image perfectly in the position on the right side to the TV. Okay, you can see like this. You have to arrange perfectly in the position. It should be like original, it should be like live. The model is sitting like that. Okay, and you have to arrange. Now go to add photo and select the shadow PNG. I will give the shadow PNG link in the description. You can go and download there. Now we have to arrange the shadow PNG under the shoes like this. It will make a live effect. Okay, it gives a natural effect that model is sitting on the floor like this. And you have to make it duplicate and add another shadow on the next another shoe and tap on tick mark. Now this is the first portion of the photo image. Now go to add photo and you have to select the model image, another model image. Make sure this model image is somewhat colorful because we are going to edit this model image in the TV. Okay, make sure the model image is somewhat colorful, so it will give the whole photo editing a little colorful look. Okay, for the purpose. Now you have to erase it perfectly by using the eraser tool around it, and you should make it like it is on the TV. Okay, it is running on the TV. This is the concept of the photo editing. Okay, now I'm going to erase the borders of the model image by using this eraser tool, and for this you have to get one portrait image, colorful portrait image, and another one is sitting position photo image. Okay, perfect. Now I erase perfectly around the model image like this. And finally we came to the end of the photo editing. Now tap on tick mark and go to main Picsart interface like this, and after this go to tools, go to adjust, and you have to do further some adjustment in the saturation and shadow and contrast. You have to do a little adjustment, that you have to decrease the saturation of the model image. Okay, the background is somewhat ash color, so you have to make the model also a little ash color to give a natural look. Now we have to go to add photo and select one PNG. I will give this PNG link in the description. Paper dispersion PNG. Now make it blend and make it screen, and you have to adjust, and you have to go to adjust, and you have to decrease the shadow a little bit. Okay, decrease a little shadow. Now tap on tick mark. Now after this you have to go to tools again, and you have to do a little adjustments like I'm doing in the video. A little clarity and contrast like that, you have to do a little adjustments. After this again you have to go to add photo, and you have to add finally one PNG. Okay, you have to go to add photo and select the lightning PNG. I will give this PNG also link in the description. Go to blend and make it screen, and you have to add this lightning PNG on the top of the model image in the center like this. Okay, to give a attraction look for the photo editing. This is the end of the video. I hope you all like this video. Please consider like, subscribe, and share to your friends. See you in new video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.